The strongest designs usually move your eyes through the layout without you even realizing it. Today, how to create visual movement frame systems. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert 3 frames arranged diagonally or in a soft curved flow across the composition to establish movement. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them carefully for continuity. Select the background and apply a gradient that follows the same visual direction through the layout. Add thin arrows or connecting line accents with low opacity to subtly guide attention from one section to another. Slightly rotate one frame to introduce energy while preserving structure. Use position tools to